Three things to help you pick out your next New Year's project car. Number one, don't buy a car that needs engine work or has excessive aftermarket parts like this intake pipe and this intake turbo boost pipe down here, or that has a lot of missing parts like the intake box, the battery box is missing, this intake pipe is missing. This engine is a no start. Number two, don't buy a car that needs paint and body work or that has a lot of aftermarket parts like this that have been installed improperly. Luckily, I do have the original hood and the bumper. Number three, don't buy a car that needs interior work or that is missing a lot of body parts, like all the plastic that's broken or missing. These aren't even the original seats. So these are not the original seats because the originals were black and heated. These are not heated. It's missing the back seat altogether. There's all kinds of parts back here, some of which do not even go to this car. The headliner's falling down. Hopefully this part is in there. They started to take apart all of the lights and dash head banner stuff is missing. It looks like they might be down here. This car has all three problems, and I bought it yesterday. Tip number four, do buy a classic limited edition vehicle like this one, the Fahrenheit GTI. Fahrenheit, 1091 out of 1200 ever made.